Hey everyone, just wanted to make a quick video for people explaining what the fuck is going on recently and why the stock market is all over the news, and then offer some views as to what I see the impact of all of this being. Now, first of all, we will look at two of the companies that have been affected significantly by this pump, AMC and GME or Gamestop. Yes, the cinema that charges you too much for popcorn and the shop that gives you €2 for 18 games are the central pieces to an economic revolution. This is where these two companies were at before all of this. Putting it into perspective, they were both in dodgy positions. AMC was hit hard by the pandemic, and GameStop has been looking to go the way of Blockbuster for years now, as more often than not, games are bought online without the need for brick and mortar stores overcharging for it. It'd be a pretty safe assumption to say that both of these companies were on their last legs, right? Well, Melvin Capital and other hedge funds thought so too. They decided to short GameStop. Now, what exactly is shorting? In simple terms, it means you're betting that the price of a company's stock will go down. So why does this matter? Companies die all the time. But this time was different. This time, retail investors fought back against the hedge funds. How did this happen? How can ordinary people fight against massive hedge funds? Because Reddit. Well, specifically because of r/Wall Street Bets. This subreddit full of degenerates has made the news many times over the years for their crazy antics, gambling life savings away on the stock market, and sometimes making returns.
Put down a little bit of a deposit on margin and then you get infinite leverage.
Getting people to take more risk than they want to. Here's what these kids are doing, and they're psychopaths.
Wall Street Bets, an online message board so pungent with autism, its members make the Rain Man look like James Bond. By turning stock options from a hedging strategy into a glorified bet thread, people on the subreddit have managed to convert the entire stock market into their very own personal casino. Add that to zero commission brokerage apps available to everyone with a mobile phone, lock everyone in their house for months on end, and you've got an ungodly amount of people on board.
Wall Street Bets realised that if they could actually push the retailer's shares higher, that would leave its short sellers facing big losses, forcing them to buy back the shares to cover their shorts, but then worsen the losses for other shorts and triggering a spiral higher for the stock. This is so-called short squeeze, proved successful with Melvin and another short seller, Citron or Shitron Research, closing out their positions at a significant loss. So why does this matter? Well, for decades, the hedge funds and billionaires have been manipulating the market, screwing people over for massive profit. This time, it's the people that have been doing it to them. It highlights something of a greater trend in global economics. The individual is realizing that they can control their own wealth,